Here's a step-by-step on how to edit a BabyPage. Open the BabyPage app and navigate to the BabyPage tab. Click on the page you want to edit. By clicking the photo page, you will be able to delete, replace, or adjust image. Drag and drop to move or pinch in and out to zoom. By clicking on the text page, you will be able to edit any part of the text. You're able to add, remove, or edit each line of text or the page title. From there, you can also change borders, illustrations, and fonts. And that's it. Apply your changes and click Finish.